Hey everybody, we're going to attempt, I hope, a beach scene with some alcohol inks, and I use the Amsterdam acrylic black ink to do the palm trees. So we will get started. Okay, so I have a 5x7. It is Kirkland photo paper. I use the non-glossy side. I'm going to grab two different color purples, some yellow, I have a Conair little hair dry blower. Always keep a paper towel ready. I have two different gloves because I ran out of black ones. And we have rubbing alcohol, 91% or higher. I'm just going to put the darkest color down first. I paint pretty fast. I like to let it run back and forth. And what I do is I take my rubbing alcohol and I just drip it. What I like about alcohol ink is you get a different look every time. So one, it's harder for people to steal your ideas, which seems to happen a lot. And two, I just like having different ones all the time. No two are ever the same. It's like right here, there's nothing. It's just paper. So I mean, you can just go in and put some more color. Then once in a while, I'll tilt it down a little bit until you see it start to run. Then I tilt it back. And I'm going to speed through this, so you don't have to sit here and watch me go back and forth, but you're going to do the same thing. And then you just blow it out with a hairdryer from the center up. Now we're just going to blow dry it. And I'm pretty happy with that. I don't really worry about the edges much because once you mat it, you won't even see any of that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little cup and I'm going to shake this up really good. Sorry. And we're going to put some of that in that cup. Okay, so basically we're just going to paint a little land back here with some palm trees. And basically you just created your reflection with one easy step. I just turn my brush to the side. I just kind of wiggle it. I switched to a different brush. Because my flat brush is too big. And then what you're going to do is you're going to paint the same thing down below it. I mean, I did it like that, or you could just do it easy and flip it upside down, which is how I teach my students. Okay, rinse your brush out. Never let your brush sit in water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take another piece and lay it halfway. I like to splash alcohol on it. I just like to do it half and half, that way I have more time to dry it and it's not spreading out too far. Now you're going to get some white acrylic paint. I'm going to use that flat brush again. I'm going to go into my white, and you're just going to tap right where these two meet in the center. I have this really little brush. I don't even know if you could see that. I just take it and kind of just drag it along the bottom. Okay, we're just going to dry that. Yep. Now I'm going to just put a palm tree in here. So you do one curved line up, bring one over about 2 fingers and curve it so that it touches up to the point. And you're going to fill that in. I'm pretty quiet when I paint. Okay, you want to make sure your brush is nice and flat. That's why it's called a flat brush. Then I'm going to draw 3 just little lines that curve a little out. Trying to keep them in the light section, because if you put it down here, you're not really going to see it. And what I do is I just follow the way the line's going to do my palm tree. A lot of my students really bugs me, but I help them through it. Do that. The line isn't going that way. You want to do it this way. Pretty much how you do just something quick. I am going to go and add one here. If you don't feel comfortable doing another one, don't. And we're going to spot dry that quick. rinse out my brush. I like to go into some white. I just kind of tap some of it off, and I just like to add a little highlight to the side. Basically, you're just touching it and pulling it down a little bit. You can always go in here and add some highlights to here if you want. Use a smaller brush. I mean, I kind of like it just black, but that took, 10 minutes. If you have one of these, you can go in and put a little sun somewhere, wherever you put it. Make sure you put it down here as well. So I'm going to put mine do that, and you wipe it off. And just keep doing that till you get down to the paper. There you have it. If you liked anything, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can always Facebook me at Paint with Lola. If you give it a try, can you post it to my Instagram or Facebook private page, Paint with Lola. Thank you and stay safe.